Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how to make a playlist on Spotify. But guys, as always, before we continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, you have to go to your Spotify app on your phone. After that, in this page, you have to tap on your library in the bottom of your screen. After that, tap on the plus button at the top right in the corner. And in this page, you have to give your playlist name. I'm gonna name it by Fab. Then tap on create button. And now tap on add songs. Then type the search by title, artist, or genre. And here I'm gonna search Who Says by Selena. Then tap at the plus sign to the right of the title. In the bottom there are notifications. Then go ahead, go back, tap the X button, and the songs already add to your playlist. So yeah guys, just it. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck.